Alright, so we're going to be installing the airbag control module that we just got reset at a safety restore. I'll put the link in the bottom here. So on most trucks and Equinoxes, airbag control module is usually in the center console, just right in the middle. Sometimes you got to take the center console out, but on these, you just usually take your seats out and remove the two side panels, and you can kind of, it just sits right in there. Just 3 bolts hold it on. So just disconnect your battery before you start unhooking anything, and you should be good. We'll just put this back in here. I'm just gonna move the seat back. So once you got your battery unhooked, you'll just you have to move this. You'll have to take this cross piece off just so you can get this. Just move this enough that you can get the module in here. So it's just 3 10 mil bolt or nuts that go on. Hold this on. You should use a magnet to get them on. Works the best here, so you don't drop them. So we got all the bolts tightened up. Put your clips back on. Make sure the red tabs are locked. And then I put everything back together. Put your side panels back on and hook up your batteries, and your if you did get yours reset or a new module, your airbag light should go away. But I still have to change the roof airbags on this one and the one seat airbag. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next video.